an aphrodisiac. Women gyrating, simulating sensual acts to stimulating musical tracks. I thought I was just gonna come out tonight and get a brew and relax, but no, when you the party starter, it's like you won't call, you what the doctor ordered. It's like you gotta block the border to the door and shock them when it's boring. Get on the floor. It's the groove aside bomber. Might get my vest tight strapped to my chest like I'ma run up in the party, holler and be like, oh, fulfilling my calling. Big Will, that's my name. Writing rhymes, that's my game. Ask me again and I'll tell you the same. Look, just write your number right next to your name, girl. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. He was raised in the days when the roof was raised and every rap occasion new and amazing. The back up the stages, amazed and gazing, praying for the day they would one day praise him. Studied the ways of the game and made it. Came through the maze and the haze and played it perfect. Days any person hated and cursed him. He was unfazed, he waited, it was worth it. He never retaliated, he saved it, slaving on the road blazing. Days when he was low, nothing could raise him. He came to the show and something uncaged in him. Like the Pope of this party crusade, I'm like braids that's never gonna fade, you heard? I'm like 23s on an Escalade. Throw me into the rave like you threw a grenade. Boom! Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. I called for the days of the unadulterated, when the artistry was cultivated. You know, back when rap was smart and multi-layered. We could rap without A&Rs and ultimatums. Damn. Now today I say a phrase along for the good old days when the party was all about partying. I was a mini party starter then. My mind bends when I call my pen. The big question: should I run the mind a fiddle? Food for thought or dumb the rhyme a little? But will, if you come too high, that'll alienate folks and they won't buy it. Yo, look, people getting trapped in the track and they be clapping even when the rapping is whack. Yo, what happened? When did we get happy with that? He old fashioned, but let's be happy he back. You heard me? Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning.
Will Smith, Big Willie,
When I be thuggin' till I die. When I be thuggin' till I die. When I be thuggin' till I die, till I die, till I die. Call the club in the back, I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love and scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these chicks, now they all wanna sue me. So call the club in the back, I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love and scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these chicks, now they